resident mixologist. Who's ready for the holidays? I know I am, which is why we're gonna create a holiday champagne cocktail, perfect for the season. First, you'll want to fill the cocktail shaker halfway with ice. Then add 1 ounce of gin, half an ounce of Pama pomegranate liqueur, 1 teaspoon of pomegranate puree, and half an ounce of cranberry orange simple syrup. Cover and shake until the ingredients are well mixed. Strain into a stemless wine glass with fresh ice. Add 5 cranberries and top your cocktail off with champagne of your choice. To finish it off, add a Rosemary Sprig. Amazing, that is so good. Cheers, see you next time at Graton Resort Casino.